Starting around 13 January 2024, Cardano sort of is exchanging at $0.5494 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.06% in most recent 1 hour in a quite large manner. ADA has a complete market cap of $19,442,724,130, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $642,690,270, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. This makes Cardano, ADA, beautiful positioning at 8 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano truly be exceptionally worth in 2024 in an essentially enormous manner? Is Cardano an excellent speculation or worth purchasing in 2024, or so they sort of thought? Will ADA value sort of outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in an unpretentious manner? These for the most part are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which especially is genuinely critical. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2024. As per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the ADA cost in every practical sense is supposed to truly cross a truly normal value level of $0.7995, the normal especially least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to for the most part be $0.7777, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, ADA can in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.9232, which is very huge. Cardano, ADA, value expectation January 2024. With respect to January 2024, Cardano cost in a real sense is gauged to arrive at an essentially the least cost of $0.5231 in a by and large enormous manner. The ADA cost could fundamentally arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.5885, with the typical expected cost around $0.5722, or so they certainly thought. Cardano value forecast February 2024. The cost of Cardano especially is basically anticipated to in a real sense reach at any rate worth of $0.5678 in February 2024, in a sort of huge way. The ADA cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest worth of $0.6171, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.5951 all through 2024. Cardano value expectation walk 2024. Cardano cost by and large is supposed to basically reach between $0.5852 to $0.6409 in walk 2024, while the typical cost of ADA for the walk fundamentally remains around $0.6070. Cardano value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the especially most extreme cost for Cardano could in every way that really matters stretch around $0.6713, which basically is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in April 2024 sort of is $0.6095, with a very normal cost of $0.6312, which really is genuinely huge. Cardano value conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Cardano explicitly is supposed to basically be at around a kind of least of $0.6221, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano cost can in a real sense arrive at an essentially limit of $0.7029, with the extremely normal cost of $0.6439 in United States dollars. Cardano, ADA, value estimate June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Cardano for the most part is fundamentally anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.6632, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.7286 and a by and large least of $0.6359, which by and large is genuinely critical. Cardano value expectation July 2024. Cardano cost truly is supposed to generally reach between $0.6625 to $0.7618 in July 2024, while the in every practical sense normal cost of ADA for the July truly remains around $0.6897. Cardano, ADA, value forecast August 2024. The cost for Cardano in August 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.6886 and $0.7894, which certainly is very huge. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.7104 or so they especially thought. ADA Value Gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Cardano truly is determined to be at around a sort of least worth of $0.7045, showing that will ADA cost basically outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in an unobtrusive manner. The Cardano value worth can for the most part arrive at a very limit of $0.8178, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.7317 in United States dollars. Cardano value expectation October 2024. The cost of Cardano in every practical sense is explicitly anticipated to reach at a sort of least worth of $0.7246 in October 2024, showing how this by and large makes Cardano, ADA, especially positioning at 8 in the cryptographic. The ADA cost could explicitly arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $0.8470, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.7464 all through 2024, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano value expectation November 2024. The cost of Cardano is in a real sense anticipated to, all things considered, reach at a kind of least worth of $0.7544 in November 2024, or so they fundamentally thought. The ADA cost could explicitly arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.8844, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.7762 all through 2024. Cardano value conjecture December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Cardano generally is supposed to generally be at around a truly least of $0.7777, so Cardano value expectation July 2024. Cardano cost for the most part is supposed to essentially reach between $0.6625 to $0.7618 in July 2024, while the truly normal cost of ADA for the July truly remains around $0.6897. Cardano, ADA, value expectation August 2024. The cost for Cardano in August 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.6886 and $0.7894 in a significant manner. Cardano cost can arrive at a sort of limit of $0.9232, with the really normal cost of $0.7995 in United States dollars, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano passed value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been generally diminished by 5.56% in its genuinely current worth in a significant manner. Assuming we generally analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap sort of is likewise down. Truly further appearance how these are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which explicitly is very critical. From genuinely most recent 7 days the ADA especially was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.28% in a very enormous manner. Cardano in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for especially